Welcome to our quick guide on how to use Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a beginner or need a refresher, this video will help you get started. Let's dive in. First, let's open Excel. Click on the Excel icon on your desktop, or search for it in your Start menu. Once open, you'll see the home screen with several template options. For now, let's select Blank Workbook. This is your workspace. Each rectangle is called a cell, and each cell has an address based on its column letter and row number. For example, the first cell is AE1. Let's enter some data. Click on cell AE1 and type name. Then, press Tab to move to the next cell, B1, and type age. Continue this to add more columns like city and occupation. Now, let's fill in some example data. Enter a few names, ages, cities, and occupations. Notice how easy it is to move between cells using the Tab key or arrow keys. Next, let's learn about cell selection. Click and drag to select a range of cells. This is useful for applying changes to multiple cells at once. Formatting your data makes it easier to read. With your range selected, go to the Home tab. Here, you can change the font, size, color, and more. Let's bold the headers by clicking the Bold button or pressing Ctrl+B. Excel is powerful because of its formulas. Let's do a simple calculation. In cell B6, type equals average, B2, B5, to calculate the average age. Press Enter, and Excel will display the result. Visualizing data is another strength of Excel. Select your data range and go to the Insert tab. Choose Chart, and select the type of chart you want. Let's pick a bar chart. Instantly, Excel creates a chart based on your data. Finally, remember to save your work. Click on File, then Save As. Choose your location, name your file, and click Save. It's a good practice to save frequently to avoid losing your data. And that's it. You've learned the basics of Microsoft Excel, from entering data to creating charts. With practice, you'll become more efficient and discover even more features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.